Hey guys, hey, so it's big fella Will here. And I just went for a ride with a mate of mine. It was pretty good, so I said I'd start doing vlogs. So I'm here. This is my vlog. This is like my first one, right? So it's with the GoPro. So if you can't hear me, then that's your fault. Nah, just kidding. It's because my GoPro, the mic's not very good. So yeah, I said I'd start vlogging, so yeah, this is kind of the vlog. Yeah, so I just went for a ride. I'll play that clip like after I have this little introduction, how I'm talking about how great life is and stuff, and that, like, yeah. So I'm gonna watch this and be like, what's wrong with you, Will? What's come to you? Yeah. So yeah, pretty much that's it. And I know like biking's not my usual thing, but like, yeah. So my daughter over there, mate, is going for a bit of walk.
Exercise is good. Exercise is key. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna play like the clip, and it's gonna. Yeah, gonna have some. And it's gonna be pretty mad. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy it, and give it a thumbs up and stuff, and like comment, you know. He's coming back. Come on, boys! Up and at him! Run! It's like 80 plus K's coming down here. I reckon off the brakes all the way.
$900 jeans, homie. Homies just be on. She like, let me see your team. Homie, she trying to cause a scene. But I'm in Paris with my team. Walking slow like I'm on lane. Give a nigga jewelry, look so clean. I occasionally bought in Lambin. I ain't talking about Jim Jones, nigga, I'm talking about hooping up, special shirt, break balls, fuck your Rolex, roll up, homie, roll that kush, blow that, homie, oh stop that, the popo, homie, now shit out the window, see ya, we just getting saucy, and RC, we bossy, tryna bring back the turn, bling, bling, cause we flossy, you bust left back to back, well that's a cool accomplishment, I'm on the other side, on the other globe in the conference. Pretty nigga, my judo. Pinky ring my two-go. Yo, main bitch, my new hoe. All nigga like you, bro. Rolex on the U-blow. Niggas taking my screw flow. They trying to jack it like new clothes.
Hey guys, so I'm here at my house. Yeah, let me just, jokes, I'm not rich. But they obviously are. Yeah, so guys, just hope you enjoyed that vlog there. And well, if you call it a vlog, yeah, and just chuck it a big thumbs up because you love me. You love old mate Willie over here. That's me. I'm a bicycle, just run down, right down, cut down, man, coming down now. Yeah, so doing that, and comment if you like it, because I don't really have much feedback. Well, I do from people telling me, but like, yeah. So yeah, sorry it's not like a thing I usually do because it's bikes, but you'll enjoy it. So yeah, and subscribe. Here we go, mate. We're gonna hit some massive jumps coming down. Gonna chuck some fat ass whips on them. Oh, he's coming up. Oh. Oh.
Sometimes I feel like
Who's in them massive balls?
opposite of the movie spins.
Chuck a wheelie, Bob. Come on.
World.
Thanks, guys. Thank you so much.